Alright, I figured I'd make a different video of this fan for YouTube. I already have a video on Facebook, but I don't know. Anyways, this is my 20-inch Vernco Box Fan that I got from Nicholas Lauer, but I was with him when he bought it. His mom's not letting him keep it, so he decided to give it to me since I'm the only fan collector he really knows in person. And he trusts me with it. I'm gonna need to oil it really soon, as you can see. Kind of needs some oil. Well, right now, after not spinning for a long time, it does have a little bit of a longer spin down time. But after it runs for a while, it gets really dry inside, like it really does. But Vernco 20-inch model L-9-1, low, medium, high, and then forward and reverse. Temperature control, it doesn't work obviously because it's summer, but in the winter I'll try it or something. Like, this is really meant to be in the window, but or they're made to be in the window. It's also got a light that lights up, and then that's basically it. And the back grill is really loose. Need to get some duct tape for that. So without further ado, I'll go ahead and just start it up on low. And where you see these, where it comes closer in here, that's where this there. I think there was a badge here. I'm not sure. Nick thought there may have been. That actually would make sense. But either got ripped off, like they took it off. I don't know. So yeah, it was only $7 too. So pretty good deal. It's got a rollout hum. I think it's the cage. I'm not sure. And the motor is General Electric. Could be wrong. Nick thinks it is because he saw a window fan and it said it had a General Electric motor. It does spin slow on low, but it actually does put out a really good breeze because it's got really big metal blades. But I really like the way this runs. I just don't like the hum too much. It glares. I know that doesn't sound right for it to hear it glaring, but it's like, it really surrounds the entire room. Like, it sounds weird to speak right now over it. Alright, medium. It has a little bit of a startup noise on low and medium, but high you don't really hear it because of the freaking hum. It's actually not spinning that fast. Like, I can actually tell, that was a bad voice crack, how the blades are spinning or how fast they are right now. And here we go with high speed, aka monster speed. Really packs a punch. Jeez. It for you now. Just do it on high speed. It sounds faster in high speed. not blowing much air back here because the blades are obviously really more made for forward than reverse. Spin down time. Whoa, that was really quick. Jeez. Let's try forward. See if it makes a difference. Jesus, that was really fast. Way faster than it usually is. There we go. That's a little bit. It's not as. Okay, there, yeah. It's reverse that made it go slower. Or made it stop quicker. So there you have it. Thank you for watching. And I'll just show you what the thermostat control does. Stops right there. I don't know why it keeps doing that. So yeah. Warmer. And then cooler. So there you have it. Thank you for watching.